Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get dark mode on Android. So first of all, you can go for your settings app, go for display, and you can see there is the dark theme option here. You have to just turn this slider on and you can get this dark theme on your device. Another way, just go for there and go for in this pen icon here, tap on it and just hold this dark theme from here and get it here. After this, just tap on it and you can get this dark mode on your Android device. So yeah, that's it. This is how you can get a dark mode on Android. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphics design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.